Okay, this is to Kill CD from Xbox. You wanted to learn it, and here it is. And it's crazy tune. It starts out the 2nd fret, 6th string, twice. 4th fret, 5th string. 2nd fret, 6. 5th fret, 5th string. 2nd fret on the 6th string. And so far that's. And then you go down to the 2nd fret of the 5th string. Then you play on the 6th string. You play second on the 5th, and then you go same pattern on the 6th string, only it's open on the 6th. So that would be. And then after a few times of playing that, you go to a power chord using the 5th fret and the 7th fret on the 4th and 5th strings. So it's. You slide that down to 7 and 9. And pluck once more. And then I believe you do 4 open on the 5th. Then you do a downward step, basically, going from 9th to 7, from the 4th string going down to the 2nd string. So you slide up and just switch your middle and pointer finger, so they'd be right there. And then it's and slide up, so it's. And that's all I know so far. Enjoy!